Our last day in South Carolina before heading to the Smoky Mountains, we visit 4 more waterfalls. Enjoy! The first waterfall of the day is Reedy Branch Falls, located in Mountain Rest, South Carolina. At the beginning of the trail, it looks like you're walking into a subdivision because this land was in the process of being developed on before the U.S. Forestry Service acquired it. So when you park, it's just a short 0.2 of a mile hike one way to the falls. You kind of bummed. Bit of sun coming out. The second falls of the day we visited was Issaqueena Falls. It's located in Walhalla, South Carolina. It was just a short 20-minute drive from our last falls we were at. It's located in Stump House Park, and it's $5 per vehicle, and it's on an honor system. Legend has it that these falls were named after a Creek Indian woman who married a white settler and hid here during one of the Cherokee Indian attacks on the village. There's just a short 0.2 of a mile hike down to a viewing platform to view these waterfalls. And if you like these informative travel videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is the view from the viewing platform. Now there is a side dirt rocky trail that's to the right of the platform that you can walk and get a little bit closer to the falls.
This is beautiful. It was worth it. Yep.
The Stump House Tunnel was the beginnings of a tunnel system for the Blue Ridge Railroad to hopefully one day connect Charleston to Knoxville, Tennessee, and eventually to Cincinnati, Ohio. But this tunnel was never completed. Fun fact, Clemson University bought the tunnel in 1951 and used it to cure their famous Clemson blue cheese for many years. But now this property is owned by the government and is used for protected land. Our third falls of the day is Spoonauger Falls. It's located also in Mountain Rest, South Carolina, really close to the Georgia state line. If you type in Chattooga River Trail and you park at the Chattooga River Trail parking, it's only a 1/4 of a mile hike to Spoonauger Falls, so it's only a 1/2 mile round trip.
Georgia's
Georgia?
Hello, Georgia. I'll tell you about where those rocks are. That's the line.
Yeah.
Look, Daniel, there's Georgia. About that rock right there. That's Georgia.
Our fourth falls of the day are Whitewater Falls, located in Cashiers, North Carolina. It's just across the state line from South Carolina. It's $3 per vehicle to park, and there's a paved hiking trail to view the upper part of the falls.
I don't just remember.
Wow.
This is so beautiful.
And then you can choose to hike down some steps if you want to view the waterfalls from another platform. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.